Chapter 4 Nutrition in Living Organisms. Hello, students. Have you ever wondered why do we eat food every day? Why do plants grow even though they don't eat like us? In this, in this chapter, we'll learn what nutrition is, why it is important for all living beings, and how different organisms get their food. Let's explore how nature feeds every living creature, from tiny plants to humans. What is nutrition? Nutrition means taking in food and using it to stay alive, grow, and stay healthy. All living beings need food because food gives us energy, helps us grow, repair damaged parts, and protects us from diseases. So remember, food is not just for taste, it is fuel for life. Nutrients in food. Food contains special ingredients called nutrients. They are of two types: macronutrients, needed in large amounts like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats; micronutrients, needed in small amounts like vitamins and minerals. Each nutrient has its own job. Some give us energy, some build our body, and some keep us healthy. Modes of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Some organisms, like green plants, make their own food using sunlight. This is called autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self. Heterotrophic nutrition. Animals, including humans, depend on other living things for food. They can't make their own food. This is called heterotrophic nutrition. Photosynthesis in plants. Green plants use a special process called photosynthesis to make food. They take in carbon dioxide from air, water from the soil, and use sunlight and chlorophyll in leaves. Then they prepare food called glucose and give out oxygen. Here's the simple formula: carbon dioxide plus water makes glucose plus oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This happens in the chloroplasts found in green leaves. Transport system in plants. Once the food is made, it has to reach all parts of the plant. So plants have tiny pipe-like parts called xylem, carries water and minerals from roots to leaves. Phloem carries food from leaves to the rest of the plant. It's like a delivery system, just like our blood vessels. Nitrogen for plants. Apart from food, plants also need nitrogen to make proteins. But they can't take nitrogen directly from the air, so they get it from the soil in the form of nitrate salts. Some plants, like peas and beans, have helpful bacteria in their roots. These bacteria fix nitrogen from the air and give it to the plant. Other modes of nutrition in plants. Not all plants make their own food. Some use special ways. Parasitic plants. These plants steal food from other living plants. Example, cascata or amarbel. It wraps around the other plants and takes their food. Saprophytic plants. They feed on dead and decaying matter. Example, fungi like mushrooms. Insectivorous plants. Some plants eat insects to get nutrients like nitrogen. Example, pitcher plant. Traps insects in a pitcher-shaped leaf. Venus flytrap snaps shut on insects. Drosera or sundew. Sticky hairs catch insects. Symbiotic plants. Some plants live together and help each other. Example, lichens, a team of algae which make food, and fungi which give water and minerals. They live happily together. Conclusion. So students, what did we learn today? Nutrition is essential for all living things. Plants prepare their food using photosynthesis. Animals and humans depend on others for food. They are heterotrophs. Some plants have special tricks like catching insects or stealing food to survive. Nature is full of surprises, and now you know how every living thing gets a share of food to stay alive and grow.